accompany her, but she's going to sing it a cappella. So that will be her second song. So I say right on for her having the courage to do that. And so we're going to have her start with Tomorrow. And I'm going to, because she's been only with me a little bit, I might be coaching her just a bit if things, you know, if she needs any help. We've already had this agreement. So if you guys are cool with that, I'm sure you are. So everybody's cool with that.
Very cool.
Okay, so here we go. Lenny, take your spot right here.